Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Calendly link. All right. So in order to create a Calendly link, we'll first need to create an event. Okay. So first up, just go ahead and go to calendly.com. Now log in with your account. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel and click on event types. Okay. And here, click on plus new event type. Click on it. Now go ahead and start creating your event. We have one-on-one, which is for free. If you have an upgraded plan, choose group round robin right here, and collective one-off meeting, also meeting polls. Now, just for this example, we're going to be using one-on-one. I'm going to click on it. By then, we can go ahead and create or generate a link. Okay. We're just going to leave it as is. For example, generate link. Okay. Just for the example, I'm going to hit on create. It says saved right here. We're going to close it. And here we have it. And as you can see here, you can just easily click on copy link. And here's your link. Okay. Now, if you're wondering, how do we change our user link? Right here, for example, this one. Okay. I'll show you later. Now, going back, that's basically how you do it. Just copy the link right here from your event. Okay. As you can see here, we have copy link, copy link, copy link. Now, what's the difference? For example, we have share right here. As you can see, when you click on share, you can go ahead and click on copy right here as well. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and make an expiration for this particular link after first booking. Okay, just close it. Now about the link name, just go ahead and go to your profile right here at the top right. Click on my link. Okay, now change that in here, whatever you want. Okay, make sure that it is available, and once done, just hit on save changes and you're good to go. Okay, if you're using the mobile version of Calendly, well, you have the option there to use QR. And we do have a separate video for that. Just go ahead and look it up in the channel. And the title for that is how to make a QR code for Calendly. Okay, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.